Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change character spacing in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and click on your number sheet cell and select any cell. I'll change this cell character spacing. Click on this table format option. Now click on this cell option and select this more option. And here we will find this character spacing option. You can increase and see this character spacing now increasing. Also you can decrease here. You can put a custom character associated to it and see this character associated now change. Also you can change a single row character associated and select this row serial number, select whole row and click in this whole more option and increase character associated and see this. Same way we can change multiple cells character spacing. Click here. See this. Also you can change specific text character space and select more option and increase and see this. And same we can change a single column character spacing. Click on this column serial number and increase and see this. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.